Hi, welcome to Anju Risa channel. I'm Trisa and you can call me Risa. And today we are going to make bow scrunchies with unique shape. It has a distorted shape. Stay tuned. I'm using cotton fabric for these scrunchies, and the width of the fabric should be twice the size of your... Where's my elastic? I use cotton fabric for these scrunchies, and you know cotton fabric has a lot of types, and what I like about this fabric is this cotton has a beautiful texture. As you can see, in my country this fabric is called Madina cotton. I don't really know what it's called in other countries, but if you know, you can leave down in the comment below, so I will pin it and let others read it. Because we are going to attach a bow on the scrunchies, I will only hide the raw edges of one end. So fold the fabric like this and press the fabric. After this, just turn and fold the fabric in half and sew this part. After this, I will turn the fabric right side out using a loop turner. This really helps. If you don't have a loop turner, you can use a safety pin. Next, prepare an elastic band. I use 1/2 inch wide elastic band, and the length is about 18 centimeters or 7 inches. For my hair is not thick and it's not thin either. 18 centimeters is enough for my hair. If you have thin hair, maybe you need 6 inches, and if you have really thick hair, you may need 8 to 9 inches. So we put the elastic band inside and pin this so the elastic band won't get inside all the way. Make sure that the elastic band isn't twisted, and we join the elastic band together and sew this part. Like this, we sew it back and forth or zigzag stitch, and I'm going to hide the raw edges here inside this part, the one that we pressed in the beginning. Because we are going to attach a bow on these scrunchies, so hiding only one raw edges is fine. As you can see, it's inside. The raw edges is inside this, and sew this part. Put this scrunchie piece aside. Prepare 3 pieces of fabric. I will write the size below here or on the left side here. The first piece, second piece, and the third piece. Take the second piece, fold it in half, and the third piece, fold it in half. I will mark about 2 centimeters here and here. Do the same on the third piece, 2 centimeters. And draw a straight line to the corner. Actually, we are going to cut this away, but to make it easy, I'll just use this line as the guide for my seam allowance, about 1/2 inches or 1/4 inch. And we are going to sew this part. Remember to leave an opening right in the center. Do the same. And take the first piece, fold it in half, and sew this part. Remember to leave an opening right in the center here, and cut away the line here, and cut the corner like this. Remember not to cut through the sewing thread. Now turn the fabric inside out. After this, press the fabric just to make it easier to sew. Take the marker. Actually, this is my favorite marker. It's an marker that we can wash it off with water. For example, let me show you the cool trick. When we draw it on the fabric, and then just take some water to wash it off. As you can see, it disappears. I really like using this marker. So I want to mark the center of the bow. Fold it in half, slide the ruler, and draw the center. Do the same thing here. So as you can see, the side is not at the same length, so this is the shorter and the longer one. I will join the longer part here and fold it, put it together. I will leave about 1 centimeter here, and we are going to sew this part. Just like this, and look at the shape, it's very beautiful. And take the sewing needle and thread. I'll gather the fabric from here to here. Gather the fabric, tie it, and secure the thread. Take our scrunchie piece, and I will attach the bow right on the seam here. Done. Take our centerpiece, fold it like this to make the beautiful crease like I did in my every hair bow. Put it here and sew it for the last time. To sew a centerpiece of the bow, I always move my needle to the left side so it gets really beside the hair bow. To sew it, cut the excess fabric and flip the centerpiece. After we flip the centerpiece, sometimes the centerpiece just gets move around, so I always use my hot glue to secure the centerpiece. Just put the hot glue right here, just a little, and there you go. Our scrunchie bow is finished. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this tutorial useful, please give me a thumbs up and share this video. If you don't, please hit the dislike button and tell me about what you don't like. See you in my next video. Bye!